Hi there. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you through the process of how to install and activate the brand new MPC3 beta update for the MPC standalone hardware. Now to begin, start by navigating to www.akaipro.com/MPC3 and click on the download button. This will redirect you to our downloads page where you'll need to enter your details to download MPC3. You can also use the link provided in the MPC3 beta email you would have received. Simply press the download tab and this will also redirect you. Now press enter details to access your free download. When entering your details, make sure you use the same email address linked to your InMusic profile that's on your MPC. This way your activation will be synced and licensed to your account. Once you've entered your details, press the green enter button. And now this will take you straight to the MPC3 downloads page. Now once you press download now, you can now access the Mac and Windows installer, which you can update your MPC standalone via your desktop computer, or you can use the USB image file, which you'll need to transfer onto a USB thumb drive. We've also included the user guide to get you started with MPC3 beta. You'll also receive a download confirmation email providing you with the MPC3 installer links. To install MPC3 beta, hit Menu and then go to Preferences and then press Update. Here we can either select USB drive update, where we'll need to transfer our image file onto a USB stick and then plug this into the back of our hardware, or we can use Update Mode, where you can run the desktop update installer using your Mac or Windows laptop. The online updater option on your MPC is not available for MPC3 beta. So I'm going to use the USB drive update, as I've got my image file on my thumb drive, and I press upgrade, and the MPC will ask you to save any work that you might want to save. So now we press update and the MPC will start installing MPC3 beta, and then it will reboot. Now once your MPC is rebooted, MPC3 beta will be installed. So now if you press new project, it will now load up a default drum kit to get you up and running. But now we need to activate MPC3. Now to do this, we start off by just pressing our menu, and then we'll go to our second page and go to Preferences. Here, make sure that you're logged onto your Wi-Fi connection and you're logged into your InMusic profile account. Now on the Activations tab, just simply scroll all the way down and then you'll see MPC3 beta. Now simply press the Activate button, and now this will activate MPC3 beta so you can start enjoying all of these brand new exciting features inside your MPC standalone. Now thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.